All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully everyone's having a great day, of course, and we'll just jump straight into it. So S&P, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. There is a couple one live trade that I'm still in, and we'll have a look at that. But if you like any of this stuff, like. If not, it's all cool. So we'll just move on. So, all right. So S&P 500 heat map, nothing too crazy. It is up 0.44% today, and it is at all-time highs. A shocker, I know, but apart from that, I looked over the general news. Apart from this Nvidia, so Nvidia is going to invest like $100 billion into OpenAI. So I think that's why they're very bullish on this. Apart from that, I couldn't really decipher the news too much. But it does look a bit reddish, but it is up today. So a lot of people will be happy. I noticed this as well. Maybe I was just overlooking this, but I'm pretty sure that's new here. So Russell 2000, we can start having a look at that and as well on the heat map. But anyway, we'll just move on. So overall, global news, nothing too crazy as well. So I won't bore you with that, just your ups and downs. And then in trading news, nothing too crazy as well. Just obviously if you're trading New Zealand and Australian pairs, these would probably be something to look at. But they're only really folders attached to anything. Apart from that, just general news. So nothing crazy really happening. Pretty slow day actually. But all right, so I won't. Now it's into calendar news. So German Bubba, just German bank. All these there's FOMC members speaking. So these three. We got governor, council member from CAD speaking, and then we got Bank of England governor speaking, and then we got a lot of purchasing managers index. So PMI, all PMI. So they all pretty much. So purchases managers index. So they're just pretty much gauging, reaching out to. The purchasing managers of manufacturers and all that. And they're just pretty much going, it's an index, I guess. So just comparing it against last time they really noted everything down. That's pretty much in layman's terms. So every country will be different a bit. So this is 750. This will be 800. And just overall health of the market. So and then, you got service PMI as well. So manufacturing and service. And then, so this is pretty much takes up big day for Euro pairs, and then a bit of pound pairs as well. But you got German flash manufacturing, German flash. So, services, and then you got, monetary policy committee, your Confederate of British Industry. So I won't, these are pretty much these folders here would be, the orange folders and the red folders are pretty much what you want to be looking at for today. So apart from that, just a pretty slow day. Obviously, President Trump speaks, and then, this is a bit of a weird one. I think I've read it out before. I think it's from, 75 manufacturers in the Richmond area. So I did look that up last time. I'm pretty sure if I can remember right. Richmond is in New York area, so district. So and so it's just one of those days that if you're trading pound and euro, there's a lot going on. If not, nothing too crazy going on. So new housing price index, and then USD is the current account is to do with import export. So apart from that, just as you can see, just they're either government officials really speaking, or these PMIs, so manufacturing and service PMIs. Sorry, that was probably a long way to explain it, instead of reading one for one, I think that's the best way to do it. So, and obviously a bank holiday for Japan, so less volatility, less contracts, slower to get to your points of interest and slower to move away from points of interest when you're in a trade, or vice versa. So apart from that, pretty slow day. Not slow, but it is nothing too crazy happening in the news. It's just pretty boring, I guess. But all right, so Euro from yesterday just been very bullish. So just took the previous Asia sesh and coming out to take out these areas here. So lot of inner structure and a lot of inner structure there. So yeah, we'll probably just bounce around between these lines that I mark up, and yeah, just bounce around. Nothing too crazy happening in euro. It doesn't seem that interesting lately, but pound, this is the trade I'm still in. So yeah, until it hits take profit or stop loss, that's all I'm interested in at the moment. I'll just let it ride. So it might take another couple days to be fair, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I guess we'll see how that goes. Yeah, and USDMX, I am going to delete this. So I haven't deleted it now, but yeah, I haven't marked it up for a long time, as I've been saying. So yeah, so S&P, yeah, it's up 0.44%, and it is pretty much at all-time highs now. So yeah, obviously on that chart before, on the heat map, it looked very red, but yeah, it is definitely bullish. So yeah, so, and then NASDAQ, all-time highs again, and it is up 0.55%, but that doesn't surprise me. Tech and all that is pretty bullish at the moment anyway. So if the S&P is bullish, normally that's how I see it, is NASDAQ is pretty much going to be bullish as well. So, and anything in this video is not financial advice. I forgot to say that before, but yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, definitely not financial advice. I'm just trying to figure this stuff out. So and then Dow Jones is pretty much at all-time highs as well. So, and that is up 0.14%. So if you like any of this stuff, like and subscribe. I have to shout out my mate Sage. He's been in the comments and all that. So yeah, shout out to him. And yeah, shout out to Nathan and Tom as well. So cheers guys. Thanks.